Rich people buy people, wealthy people buy time, and truly wealthy people buy freedom. Alex Hermosi. Think about that for a second. Most people, they broke because they try to do everything alone. They trade their time for money and they get stuck in that cycle. But those who break free, they invest in people, they invest in knowledge, they invest in freedom. That's the real difference. It's not about doing more. It's about building smarter. So here's my advice. Start looking at where you can leverage. Start investing in growth. Start building your freedom today. Because the longer you wait, the longer you stay stuck. If this hit you, share this with someone who needs to hear it today. And just like the wedding we attended today, a reminder of how magical it is when two people choose to build a life together. Your freedom is also built by choices you make today. Thank you again to the newlyweds for letting us witness such a wonderful moment. Once again, congratulations. And to all of you, have a blessed day.